Hello guys, welcome back to the NPT Penhistoric channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. We are back with another one, Xhosa lessons, as we said the last videos that we posted on the channel. So please subscribe guys. Please call your friends to come and subscribe to the channel and learn more. We will be posting videos each and every time. We will be posting information about the world here on the channel, so please stay updated on the channel. So today's Xhosa lesson will be teaching some basic things. We're still gonna teach you guys more, so please stay tuned guys, and subscribe to the channel. So let us start with today's lesson. I do not smoke andichai. I do not smoke andichai. Andichai in Xhosa, it basically means I do not smoke. I am writing my homework in the Bala umsebenzi wesikolo. What are you doing, wenzani? I am a man, ndiyindoda. I am a woman, ndingumfazi. I am a boy, ndiyinkwenkwe. I am a girl, ndiyintombazana. I am trying my best, ndizama ngandlela yonke. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Mvulo, Losibini, Losithathu. I am going on Sunday. Yeza ngomgqibelo. Do you have a question? Unayo imibuzo? What do you use to go to? Uhamba ngani apho uyakho? Are you waiting for a taxi? Ulindele itaxi? Do you have a car? Unayo imoto? You look so beautiful. Awusemhle? I miss my mother. Ndikhumbule umama. I am looking for a job. Ndifuna umsebenzi. I am the best in my hood with soccer. Ndibagqitha bonke apho ndihlala khona ngebhola. I am looking for a girlfriend. Ndihamba ndifuna intombi. How are you? Kunjani? Hi, molweni.